Hi, my name is Edwina, and let's get started. So let's talk about hobbies. Some of my favorite hobbies is reading, playing volleyball, and writing in my journal. I enjoy playing volleyball because it's one of my favorite sports to play. I play it in high school, and reading is something I enjoy doing because it helps me relax sometimes, and writing in my journal too. What I hope to learn in new student experience is time management, leadership skills, and people skills. For people skills, I tend to not like talk to people and I want to learn to better my communication skills because I really have bad communication skills. And for time management, I would like to manage my time for like school and other things that are not like related to school. And leadership skills, like I want to learn how to like lead because to be honest, I'm not even sure if I really know how to lead. Uh yeah. And something about online learning. Online learning to me, I think it's kind of hard because you have to stay motivated and you have to get all the work done and you basically have to like teach yourself and online learning. It's different from like going to school and stuff. And thank you.